Hello YouTube, this is Jessica from STDIO APIs. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off in the last tutorial. As you remember, in the last tutorial, we started working with bringing videos and we started testing. And let me just show you really quick, just in case you don't remember. What we were able to do was to list a tool, and we were able to search a video. And then we were able to go here, choose a query. Let's do machine learning basics, just like we did in the last video. For those of you who did not see it, did not watch my video. And then let's go paste. Let's go to 5. And let's do relevance, US. And I added this new thing to have more control as I was debugging some of for the market analysis. I added these that you can actually increase it. So let's go to, you can choose as many days as you want. That way you have more control over it. So let's do 5 and then just run it. And green is good. It will bring the 5 videos in the last 5 days. And there they are. The views, the channel, the views, and Jenny's lectures, computer science IT, and so on. What we're going to do, that's what we did in the last video, but in this video we're going to take it a little further, because now we're going to create a tool, a new tool. And that new tool, first thing we need to do is uncomment from the MCP server. If you remember, if we go into the MCP server, we're going to see that we had these tools commented out because I didn't want to talk about them yet. In the first video we did system status tool. Last video we did video search tool. Now we're working with the market analysis tool. So let's uncomment that so we can start working with it. And uncomment this one right here, analyze market. And the MCP server, nothing changes. It's just uncomment those out. So now you save it. And what you do once you save it is you're going to be able to go back in here, and now all of a sudden you're going to see the analyze market tool being shown. Before it was not there. I had it there, but because I was playing with it before. But for you, if in case it's not there, just remember to go back to your server and stop it and restart it again. And as long as you have the standard IO for the transport type, all of this stuff stays the same, nothing changes, it should work. You will see that it's connected, and then you're gonna see the analyze market showing up. Okay, so once it shows up, now we can start using it. So once you choose it, all of a sudden you see that it changes, because the analysis market tool, if we go in there and we look at it, it's a little bit different. It's actually very similar to the search tool, but it has a couple things that are different. And let's go from the beginning so you see it. All of that is the same. Bringing pandas, daytime, MCP tool, all of that, all the same. Nothing changes. It's also working with the YouTube service. It's bringing models, just like search video tool. And here is basically the same. The only difference here, actually, that is, this is what I added. If you go into video search tool, so I just reminded me, just to give you an idea that that's where I added the new functionality, just in case you don't know where it was. This is that one right there, publish after days. So that's how you get that stuff here, this new stuff here for the other video. Okay, so let's continue. Let's go back to the new one. So you have this one, it's got the sample size, it's got the required, because you need a topic to talk about, so it's required. It's going to do the call tool just like the other one, but now it has topic, it's got time frame days, it's got sample size. It's gonna log all the stuff regarding that topic. Is going to give you a search for recent videos, and it's going to make sure that it follows the timestamp, because you want to know if you pick 5 days, 7 days, you need to have the right timestamp. And it's going to error handling. If it didn't find it, it will complain, it will let you know. It will do the analysis. This is where the analyzed market data is coming, and these are the parameters that it's taking: result videos and the topic. And that is the topic. If you watch my last video, you know it's the same repeat of what we did before. This is basically what is going to format the YouTube timestamp, and we saw that how we did that in the last tutorial. And it's going to calculate here the X days from daytime, so it's using UTC. So it would always go back to make sure based on UTC, because you have YouTube is all over the world. So in order to have something, a common standard for everybody, they use UTC. So you have to account for that. The analyze market data. This is going to analyze the title, and we got that from the models, if you remember. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, go and watch a couple videos ago where we explain how we get all of that, the video details. It's the title, the views, the likes. Now we're starting to with the engagement rate, and later we're going to start talking about the sentiment analysis and getting more into that. So now for the first time, you're starting to see how we calculate those metrics. We're going to find the top performers based on views and whatever other parameters you choose. We'll do a channel analysis, and then here is the sentiment analysis on the titles. And remember the formula. We were able to take the sentiments plus the length of the sentiments divided, where was it? You know, I did that about a couple tutorials ago. And then it's going to do the competition analysis, and that is it. The insights, we did that. It's the same. Nothing changes from the video search video tool. Engagement rate, competition level, the insights, make the comparison. This is what I was talking about, the UTC, to make sure that is right. And here, that is it. It will return the insights. So basically you have the whole thing of what it does. Not much there, but it's very powerful, because now when we go here and we start using it, and it's going to have a little bit different from this. This is from my last tutorials. You remember we tested some of them, and now we're going to do this. We're going to go with a topic. This one is different. It was just query, and now it's topic, time frame, and then sample size. Those are the new ones. So we'll go with Punta Cana real estate market, copy and paste, be lazy, and paste, and then time frame, let's leave it at that. 50, let's leave it at that, and then just run it, and then there you go. Voila. It's going to give you the market analysis results. It's going the topic, that's what we chose. How many videos analyzed? 16 out of 30, out of 50, I'm sorry. The time frame, 30 days. And then it's going to go and do the market overview. It's going to do the total views It's getting all of that from the YouTube data API, as we've done before. So just like I did in my website, if you remember, when I was able to do the YouTube URL, and then it processes the video and it does all of that, I'm doing the same thing that I'm doing in the website. I'm doing it programmatically using MCP. Remember that. That's what we're getting. We're going to duplicate everything that I do in my website, all of that stuff, but using an MCP server. So basically, that's what we will be doing. So it's going to do the top performing videos, the engagement rates, the unique creators, and you can tweak all of that. I show you that's the power of using this custom, because you have total control through the YouTube service here file, the models, this one right there, and the tool themselves. You keep adding them and you decide what that MCP dashboard is going to show. That's why I like using MCP over Cloud Desktop, because I have more debugging. I know what's going on at all in many different places. I know what here are the prompts, the resources, all of these. That's why I like the dashboard better, but it's up to you. Some people love Cloud Desktop. That's fine. I like Cloud. And then it's going to give you the unique creators, competition level, the market sentiment for the sentiment analysis, and now it's going to give you all the top performing videos for that particular topic. And it's going to be showing, and you can see it does pretty good job. And if you want to change it, now let's do Punta Cana property investment. It's going to be a little bit different because we're going to increase the time frame. I just want to give you another crack at it. So let's do now, change that. Delete, Command V. Let's go to 40. Just want to make sure that the drop downs work the way they're supposed to. And sample size, let's go to 60. And let's run the tool again. Green is good. And you can see now it analyzed not 16 videos, but it analyzed 50. The time frame, you increase the time frame to 40 days. So of course you're gonna get more, right? So you have in the total views, market overview, that's the total views for the market overview that you choose. The average views for that overview, the engagement, the creators, the medium, competition level, and the market sentiment. And then you're going to have how to invest $1 million, and that's Jamie Gruber's videos, and in Spanish se puede invertir en Punta Cana por $125,000, sí. Why everyone is choosing these condos, apartamentos desde $88,000 con Confotur, Spanish also, Villa Cerca. And if you don't know what they're saying, you can go to my website, not yet, and you can translate the video. Okay, so that's where we're going, but we're not there yet. But we'll keep building on our MCP server, and we'll take it one step at a time, one tool at a time, one functionality at a time, so you learn how to do this stuff from scratch. But that will be in the next videos. This is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with another tutorial. Take care.